Hi, welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education. And Yourpedia Education may we are motivating you and we are encouraging you to appear for the recent recruitment drive of Airport Authority of India. There is an opportunity, and there are a lot of posts which have been declared, and I advise and recommend you to go for such exams. Now, maximum students are facing problem on some topics, in some of the posts which are declared, where there is no prior basically preparation modules available. And as you know, Yourpedia is always ahead in making such kind of modules where it is difficult for other service providers to make such modules. And that is the reason we are coming out with the study module of aviation related topics. So let me tell you where this all falls. This is the advertisement which I've already discussed with you. In this advertisement, as we know, there are some posts which are declared, that is manager, for which obviously job experience is required. I will be discussing with you later on what is this post all about and how you can prepare for such fire services. And fire services also, there are some modules which nobody is preparing, so your PD is going to prepare for that. So these are the 5 posts which have declared by Airport Authority of India. Maximum posts are in air traffic control and then airport operations, and in airport operation. And every mark is important, every mark which you fetch is important, because competition is huge, you understand that. So 5-6 marks can make a big difference. So in airport operations, that is fourth category which you have declared, where there are 83 seats. In this airport operations, for which there is a requirement of graduate in science, you can be BSc, or you can be MBA, or you can have a bachelor's degree in engineering. That is basically this requirement, for which this is the syllabus. For airport operation, this is the syllabus: part A, part B. Now in part A syllabus, if you see in part A, which has a 50% weightage. So part A may, there is a this particular topic, this is 20% of part A will be that means entirely 20% of 50%, as you know, is 10%. So entire 10% of the entire syllabus will be covering these topics: aviation related abbreviations, knowledge of airport definitions, knowledge of domestic and international airline operating in India. So this all things will be part of this, and that is what Yourpedia is going to provide you in very nominal cost. And we will start classes also for that, so you can purchase this module from Yourpedia, and detailed videos you can watch. So this is the part which actually will be difficult for you to prepare, and that is where we are trying to help you. So this is basically aviation related domains and topics where we are going to prepare you for that. So in my opinion, this is a good opportunity, has knocked the door. Just prepare, do not leave anything unturned, just prepare fully. Other modules also, full modules are available, but this is the part which actually is very easy, not difficult, but you need to prepare well. So let's prepare together and click it and get good opportunities in the form of such jobs. Thank you.